Customer satisfaction is always going to be one of our #1 priorities. It all starts with quality and getting parts right the first time and meeting specifications. That way, when we move it on to the customer, we can assure that they have a proper fit and that they're satisfied with the finish.
At Curt Manufacturing, we have a quality team which is dedicated daily to the quality of our products. That being said, each associate throughout the building is in charge of quality. They can all stop the process at any time with regard to quality.
Fabrication, we are basically the building blocks of starting a hitch. If you're building a house, you need a strong foundation, and that's what we do here. Basically what we pride ourselves on, accuracy, quality, and efficiency.
Our manufacturing philosophy is very much like everything else at Curt. We are able to deliver 98% or greater on our fill rate on the same day of the order. From a raw material standpoint, we make sure we keep enough material on hand to ensure that all customer requirements are met. Curt Manufacturing maintains state-of-the-art equipment to maintain our competitive advantage. We can meet the many requirements that customers have in the shapes and configurations of our hitches mounted to their automobiles.
When I see a hitch on somebody else's truck, somebody else's car pulling something along, I know that they bought a quality product. That when it gets out into the field, it's going to work. We are building it to the specifications that our engineers design it to, that we know that's going to hold up.
Curt Manufacturing uses 2 methods to weld our assemblies together. The first one happens to be robotic. We use robotics on products that pose the greatest challenges to our employees. What's interesting at Curt Manufacturing is that we have the advanced technologies to robotically weld our physically larger and higher volume hitches.
We do a robotic welding for our square tube, round tube hitches. Our most difficult hitches, we run a manual welding process.
We use manual hitch welding for low volume product lines or for products that cannot be robotically welded.
We've got the best crew working for Curt in our welding department. They take a lot of pride in their work. I take a lot of pride in the crew. We're doing multiple inspections, making sure the product is done correctly. They weld that hitch up per print. They check their dimensions on each hitch. They do it right the first time. This is by far the best welding department I've ever worked for.
We began electrical manufacturing in our Eau Claire facility in 2008. The development of this manufacturing capability makes us the only domestically produced electrical manufacturer in our industry.
All of our electrical products we produce at Curt start out the same way with our wire. We then cut to length, strip it and slit it, and then all of it gets terminated. Most of it gets terminated into what we call our 4-flat that gets molded with the Curt logo right on it.
Our philosophy in electrical reflects that of our philosophy in hitches, and that's that we wish to be exact fit. We want to be plug and play. We want to be as easy to install as is possible.